Did you know that 64% of workers have little to no familiarity with AI tools? Let that sink in. We're running around grabbing at tools that we don't have the right know-how to maximize. So if you're curious about how AI is shaping the future of work and what it means for you, stick around because this one's for you, friend. First up, let's talk about generative AI adoption at work. According to a survey from Asana and Anthropic, who are the creators of Claude, generative AI adoption has surged, with 52% of knowledge workers using these tools weekly. That is a whopping 44% increase in just 9 months from their last analysis. Here's the kicker though. While productivity gains are notable, 89% for daily users versus 39% for monthly users, the real question is whether this productivity is genuinely progressive. Are we just doing more, or are we doing better? It's clear that people are using AI for a range of tasks, from technical writing to meeting transcriptions. However, there's still a big issue at large here. AI literacy is still very low. About 64% of respondents had little to no familiarity with AI tools. This is a problem that can't be ignored, because, as the great Uncle Ben said, with great power comes great responsibility, and we need to ensure that everyone knows how to use these tools effectively. Part 2, the 5-stage journey to AI maturity. This isn't just a tech issue. L&D teams have a crucial role in this journey. The report outlines 5 key areas in this journey. The first stage is AI skepticism. The second, AI activation. The third, experimentation. The fourth, scaling. And the fifth is maturity. If you're smart, you'll use this to design experiences that align with each of these stages. This could be an upskilling program. We must remember that tech adoption is pointless if we don't know how to use it wisely. Part 3, AI for the boring and basic. Let's talk about how most people are actually using AI. No surprise here, it's mostly for the boring and basic stuff. Think writing better emails and summarizing long text. The fancy AI tools might grab the headlines, but the everyday tasks are what most of us see the real benefits in. There's nothing wrong with that. The boring and basic tasks are often what take the most time in our work. The takeaway for you, focus on practical applications that enhance everyday work. Develop training programs that are industry specific and highly relevant with use cases. Despite all the amazing things generative AI could do, the only thing that matters is how your audience benefits from it. For most people, dealing with emails and summarizing long text is the big enhancer. It can do more, but do you need it to? Part 4, challenges ahead. It's not all sunshine and rainbows though, my friends. The report outlines 5 major challenges for any organization. Number 1, being AI literacy. 2, data privacy. 3, job security concerns. 4, knowing when and when not to use AI. And 5, bridging the gap between executives and individual contributors in AI adoption. We could say the first, second, and fourth challenges can be addressed with solid skill programs. However, the third and fifth challenges require a broader cultural effort within our organizations. This is where L&D professionals can step in to create a culture that aligns executives and individual contributors on the same scale with adoption. Part 5, humans and AI collaboration. Let's talk about the human element. One of the key points of this report is that the future is human-powered, even in an AI-driven world. We know that to maximize the benefits of generative AI tools, we need to enhance our human skills. I like to think of generative AI being seen as a digital partner, not a replacement. Talking more on this point, the concept of human in the loop, where effectively humans oversee AI decision-making. We should look at this crucial. It's all about collaboration, not replacement. So at the end of the day, although we don't think about the human element at first, it is one of the most essential elements to ensure that we can use this technology intelligently. So there you have it, friend. 5 key insights from the Asana and Anthropic survey on AI at work. You can find a link to the report wherever you are viewing this video. Thanks for watching, and you found this helpful, of course, as all of those fancy online people say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone it can benefit. I will talk to you in the next one.